My ducks, my swans, welcome to the pond. My name is Dorian from Group82University.com, and today we're gonna talk about YouTube features. This is an amazing topic that a lot of people wanna know a lot of information about, because I'm gonna talk to you about tags. What are tags? How do tags help your YouTube videos? How do you find tags that actually get you more views? I'm gonna talk about titles, the differences between a title that gets people to stop and a title that people are looking for. This can help your channel grow exponentially. I'm gonna show you how I write my descriptions, and I use tags and all these other tools and put them inside my descriptions, which helps push the video even further. And we're gonna give a lot more YouTube tips that anybody can use who is trying to grow their channel. But what do I know about YouTube? I got a channel with 200,000 subscribers at the moment and over 100 million views, and I built that over the past 18 months through these strategies. So lock in, fully engage in the course, participate in everything we ask you to do, so that way you can apply these tips and give your channel the growth it deserves.